Hi everyone, my name is Srihita and I'm studying in Singapore. I'm 16 years old and currently in 11th standard. So actually, the main reason I decided to join the C programming course is because how we all know, the future is going to be technologically driven, and nowadays everyone knows the basics of using the computers and even coding. However, initially, I wasn't much into all this coding and learning Python, C programming and stuff because I thought that they were going to be very boring and I wasn't interested. However, after I realized how the world is changing today, I realized that how life-changing learning such basics can be for us. And with my mother's help, I joined this course. I'm so grateful for coming across Atish Jain sir because his lessons and videos are so detailed and very informative and easy to understand even for a beginner like me who has no coding background. I really enjoyed his tutorials and sir's commitment to keep making us grow. Thank you, sir.